Hey hair babes, jumping right in. This is my weekly routine as of the 6-week hair loss. I'm using an antifungal shampoo that I have to use 3 times a week. I have to leave it on for 10 minutes. So I just let it sit and then suds it up and let it sit for the 10 minutes, let it work its thing. I suggest you go see a trichologist if you don't agree with a dermatologist, because I did not agree with my dermatologist. I didn't think that she was well versed with African American or textured hair. So this is after I washed out that initial shampoo. I'm going over the parts of my scalp and hair that are slow to grow, reassuring myself in my hair that it will come back. My edges will be strong. This is when I take the time to use my actual regimen, my actual routine. I use a pomegranate honey miel shampoo, moisturizing shampoo. Suds it in, self-explanatory. Rinse it out, and I go in with my conditioner. Those are my 2 faves: Affirm Fiber Guard and another miel product, which is the rosemary and mint mask. I just lather that on and let it sit. I use a hydration treatment. I don't advise that you sit under the hydration treatment long if you are treating a fungal infection, because the two don't go together. Depending on where your fungal infection is located and how your steamer is set up, you might be able to get away with it. I use my microderm roller on areas that are slow to grow or where I don't see hair follicles. The derma roller creates tiny incisions that stimulate circulation and healing. Last but not least, oil drops. That is my go-to, and boy, when I tell you this shit is the truth, this crap is the truth. Oh my goodness, it feels so cool on my scalp. Like right now, my scalp is extremely sensitive. It's extremely dry. And when I tell you there is no relief like this 100% aloe vera gel, oh my God. And the way it leaves my hair after, I love it as well. I just honestly just let it sit on my head, put a do-rag on, and go about my business. Like I let it saturate. And that's the after results. See you next week, guys.